Throughout the past year, we've been discussing the COVID-19 vaccines a lot, but we voted on legislation dealing with vaccines before COVID reached the United States.
In the 2019 election, vaccinating school children was the subject of a referendum question that won approval from voters. That new law goes into effect on September 1st. News Center Maine's Hannah Deneen joins us now with the details. Hi, Hannah.
Well, Pat and Cindy, first things first, this legislation does not include the COVID-19 vaccine or flu shots. There was some confusion about that earlier today. What it does is remove religious and philosophical exemptions for students attending public schools in Maine for the already required vaccines.
These vaccines have been required for school for years.
The DTP vaccine, which includes coverage of tetanus and whooping cough. The MMR vaccine, covering measles, mumps, and rubella. The polio vaccine. And varicella, or chickenpox vaccine. All required if a child attends public school in Maine.
These are vaccines that have been around for decades. These are not new vaccines at all.
What is new, this September, Maine students attending public schools must have these vaccines unless they have a medical exemption.
And there are really very few of those. Their CDC has a list of them for each vaccine, and they're different for each vaccine.
In the past, a student and their family could refuse these vaccines based on religious or philosophical reasons. That was changed by the Maine legislature in 2019. There was a people's veto referendum that same year aimed at keeping that exemption in, but it failed.
The chat feature is enabled for participants.
On Monday, 3 Maine agencies, DHHS, CDC, and DOE, held a required public hearing virtually to discuss rulemaking or the fine details of the law. Some raised concerns about the timeline for vaccinating students.
I don't believe the 90-day grace period is sufficient to fully vaccinate a child who has had no previous vaccines.
Others about IEPs, or individualized education programs.
The department has proposed having an exemption for students that are enrolled in a distance education program. Arguably, that could include those enrolled in a virtual public charter school, but we think that it's important to clarify that.
Throughout the hearing and on our Facebook feed, there was confusion about whether the law includes a mandate for a COVID-19 vaccine. It does not.
This new law does not mandate the COVID vaccine. That is so important to know.
All 50 states have legislation requiring specified vaccines for students, although exemptions may vary from state to state. According to the National Conference of State Legislatures, Maine is among 6 U.S. states without religious or philosophical exemptions.
The bottom line is, this summer, make sure your child is caught up with their vaccinations, because this fall, September 1st, this law goes into effect.
If you missed the chance to partake in this discussion about the rules for this law and would like to comment, you can still submit written comments through August 5th, and we will share on our website where you can direct those comments to. In studio, Hannah Deneen, Pat and Cindy, back to you.